Greetings and thank you for joining us as we explore an extensive review of the finest water cooler dispensers currently accessible in the market. Staying hydrated is essential for your health and well-being, and a water cooler dispenser can make it both convenient and refreshing. Whether you're at home, in the office, or anywhere in between, having access to clean, cold, or hot water at your fingertips is a game changer. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at some of the top water cooler dispensers, considering factors like design, features, performance, and user-friendliness. We understand that choosing the right water cooler dispenser can be a challenging task, given the variety of options available. Our goal is to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision and find the perfect water cooler dispenser to meet your specific needs. Before we dive into the reviews, we'd like to encourage you to engage with our content. If you find this video helpful or have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our reviews and find them informative. If you want to stay updated on more product reviews, tips, and recommendations, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you the best content. So let's get started with our water cooler dispenser reviews, and remember to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button to stay connected with us. In the competitive world of water cooler dispensers, the Brio dispenser stands tall, earning its well-deserved third place. It's no accident that this dispenser has become a popular choice. Tired of the back-breaking effort required to lift and replace heavy water bottles? Brio's bottom-load water cooler is here to simplify your life. Its clever design allows for effortless bottle replacements, as the bottom-load cabinet discreetly houses your water source. One standout feature is the ozone self-cleaning function, which ensures your cooler stays pristine with minimal effort. A simple button press activates this feature, leaving you with a fresh and clean dispenser. Plus, Brio offers versatility with its water temperature options. Whether you prefer crisp, cold, room temperature, or piping hot water, this dispenser has you covered. The built-in nightlight is a game changer in dimly lit environments, ensuring you can see what you're pouring without hassle. It also illuminates the removable drip tray, prompting you when it's time for a clean. Safety is a top priority for Brio, evidenced by the two-step dispensing system on the hot water spout. It prevents accidental hot water spills, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. This product offers the advantages of versatile compatibility and a long-lasting battery. However, it may lack advanced customization options for some users. In conclusion, Brio's water cooler dispenser offers both convenience and safety, making it a strong contender in the market. Say goodbye to heavy lifting, enjoy hassle-free maintenance, and savor the perfect water temperature with this exceptional addition to your home or office. PUREPLUS has solidified its position as the runner-up in the fiercely competitive water cooler dispenser market, and its accolades are well-deserved. With 3 temperature settings, it provides you with the flexibility to tailor your drinking experience, whether you crave a refreshing, cool beverage or a toasty hot one. The dispenser boasts a top-loading water system, accommodating 3 5-gallon water jugs with a secure base to safeguard against contaminants. This meticulous design ensures your water source remains pristine, prioritizing your family's health and hygiene. Safety is a paramount concern, and PUREPLUS addresses it with a 2-step dispensing system for hot water, preventing any accidental spills. This thoughtful feature ensures you and your family can enjoy hot water without worry. The dispenser's sleek and modern countertop design not only complements your home or office, but also saves valuable space and offers portability. Under the hood, the inner heating tank, crafted from 304 stainless steel, facilitates rapid heating, withstands high temperatures, and resists corrosion. This high-quality construction translates to energy efficiency. With advanced compressor technology and 90W and 550W power for cool and hot water, the dispenser ensures you have cool water in the scorching summer and hot water within minutes during the winter. PUREPLUS water cooler dispenser excels with its versatile temperature settings, top-loading system, and safety features, but it may require a relatively larger countertop space. Boasting a 1-liter hot water tank and a 3-liter cold water tank, this dispenser is well equipped to meet the hot and cold water needs of both your home and office, making it a versatile and efficient addition to your space. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for more exciting content ahead. Avalon takes its well-deserved throne as the ultimate water cooler dispenser, offering a remarkable fusion of innovation, impeccable design, and unrivaled quality. The Avalon 3 temperature bottom loading water cooler with BioGuard and child safety lock boasts an innovative stainless steel body, setting a new standard in the market. This top-tier dispenser gives you a choice of 3 water temperatures, easily accessible with its convenient push-button spouts. Simply press your preferred temperature button and let the water flow from the designated spout. Moreover, high contact areas are fortified with BioGuard coating, effectively preventing the growth of harmful bacteria. Avalon's highly efficient compressor ensures cold water that's crisp and ice cold at a refreshing 47 degrees Fahrenheit without the need for additional ice cubes. The hot faucet, on the other hand, delivers scalding hot water at approximately 185 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for preparing tea, coffee, or other piping hot beverages. To guarantee safety, a child lock feature has been added to the hot water faucet. In addition to these impressive features, a built-in night light enhances convenience for nighttime use. The spacious dispensing area accommodates large cups and bottles, while a removable drip tray at the bottom keeps spills and drips in check. The Avalon 3 temperature bottom loading water cooler excels with its innovative stainless steel design, versatile temperature settings, and enhanced safety features. This dispenser's bottom-loading design is complemented by a cabinet capable of holding 3 or 5-gallon bottles. An empty bottle indicator ensures you never run out of water unexpectedly. Avalon's commitment to safety and quality is further underscored by its UL listing. In conclusion, the water cooler dispensers, PUREPLUS dispenser and Avalon cooler dispenser represent top-tier choices in their respective categories, offering innovation, quality, and convenience. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Your engagement is invaluable to us.